children? Anybody? You? Come. She can dance. She can do that. Who else? You? Come. Yes. Who else? Come. Yes. I don't know what that is. See them coming. See them coming. Bye-bye. Let us say bye-bye. Alright, let's go. both of them did well. So I'm going to give them something equally. So which one do you think should go for 5? Alright. Okay, hold on. So I have this, and I also have this. So one of these and one of these, and these two is going to 500, and only one out of this is going to 200. So if it is 5, you say 5. If it is 5, you say 5. So we want to go for 5 now. Please, Abby. Alright, let's give like this 5. Thank you, and 5. God bless you. These my ladies are still with me. Oh yeah, let's go. Waka waka, waka waka, waka waka. Let's go. Waka waka. I'll call you next time. Put your hands together for them, man. Who is ready for the next set of game? Next set of game. You don't even know what I want to say. I'm not dancing. Yes? We have to dance, so remember when you want to sit down with your two bum. Don't sit with happy and show. They will push you. Push your the only thing. My baby, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Let me give my baby gift to her. She tried. Thank you. Bye-bye. Alright, let's go. Fast, DJ. No time to waste time. Let's do this in short. Now, so we're moving from this thing. Oh, you're ready to go. Go and sit down. Let's go. 12. Let me measure. 15, 12. Your half bonbon is outside, but his 2 bonbon is on the chair. Alright, put hands together for my baby girl. Now tell her bye bye. Bye bye. If you're lazy, you don't have one more lesson. Okay, let's continue. If you're happy and you know you say Shiwa, Ishiwa, Ishiwa. If you're not, sorry, if you're happy and you know you say Ishiwa, if you're happy and you know, and you really want to show that you're happy and you say Ishiwa, 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 put your hands together for Ishiwa. They are the ones making us happy like that. Alright, now we have the next game. Alright, so is Adija the winner of Grace? Alright, put your hands together for Adija. Adija is the winner of this game. Put your hands together for everyone again. That is very, very nice. Alright, so Adija, I'm going to give a layer for my shibi here. Alright, thank you. Oh, Adija, okay. So I'm going to give Adija this please. Alright, give us something very beautiful so that they can dance. Oh, wow, you can't do that, Bobby. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I need 2 more boys, 2 more boys. 2 more boys. You hold on. not going to eat this song. You know something very interesting in that song? You're going to dance. Want to sing and do better. I have to cheer them up. If you say you guys are going to go there, go there. If you guys are not in the area, you boys, yeah, you boys, everybody, yeah, come on, come on, come on. So peace, yeah, peace, yeah. I want to. Okay. The battle line has been drawn. The battle line has been drawn. you are winning. Why is the last person? Wow. Put your hands together for the boys. Put your hands together for the boys. This is getting interesting. It's getting interesting. It's getting interesting. So the boys now, they are now winners. Oh, I'm telling you, play something very good. I want to play for the girls. I want to play my music for me. Play for me. Which one of you want to challenge me? Which one of you? Oh yeah. Yes, play something very nice. So everybody they want to get down. Oh my really try this thing. Okay, the boys want to sit down, see later. Clap for them very well. But I better share for you, I don't know. Alright. Are you sure? Want to know? I want to let's go. àwọn tó wà lápá nígbà ẹ̀wọ̀n wá sí pàtí. Only the people on this side came for the party. Make him not come in water. Àwọn tó wà nígbà ẹ̀wọ̀n máa jó. Music has stopped. Wọ́n máa ń lọ take you, wọ́n náà wá take care. Wọ́n ti wá gbé fún wọn náà, wọ́n náà wá ti gbà. You don't do that. You don't know that you are networking. But once I do that, let's make it sharp sharp. You are saying too long. You are saying too long. Oh yeah, pass. Pass. Agogoro You have to dance, so they don't like the song, that's why. Since you know I'm talking to boy, I mean, you don't want to dance. Bye-bye. Thank you, my boy. This is the winner. Thank you very much for coming. Alright. Alright, children, put your hands together for yourself. Are we having fun? Hello, children. Are we having fun? They are not talking now. Are we having fun? Are you sure? Alright, are we having fun? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 53, 54, 14, 16. Say bye-bye. Alright, you say the next number. Don't delay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 99. 90 10. Oh, what is it? Spontaneously. Let's go again. No, if I say it again. Oh, yeah, come. I'll give you another chance. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 59, 60, 50, 60. Okay, now you have won yourself up, Abby. That's specific. Now let's go to the real game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 52, 54, 55, 77, 8. Thank you very much. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 55, 56, 59, 40. Everybody, give me your evil laughter. Say bye-bye. Try, I'm going to now only 50, 40. Don't sit down, I shall not join you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 102, 56, 57, 58, 59, 90, 91, 92, 94, 95, 99, 100, 110, 111, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 79. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Alright, put your hands together for the boys. Hands together for the boys. Thank you very much. Alright, bye bye. Don't go. Let me have you something. This my girl has come in, but no, we can come and take it. Everybody say chow biscuit. Chow biscuit. Alright now. To Ishiwa Club Children Party 2023. May God continue to bless you. May you not die young in Jesus' name. You will continue to be good.